Up, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Mel and Mishy here, and today I'm giving you this really simple makeup no makeup look. I've tried to keep the makeup really minimal, really light, to kind of give that natural radiant dewiness from the look. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, keep watching. Okay guys, so we're starting with a freshly washed face. I'm just going to prep my skin before I put any makeup on, because we want our makeup to be really radiant and dewy, but we can't have radiant makeup if our skin underneath is not radiant. So I'm going to be mixing my cream with my SPF. To all my dark skin girls out there, whoever lied to you and told you you don't need to use SPF because you've got melanin, they lied. They lied. I'm going to be using the Vanishing cream, and I'm going to be mixing it with the La Roche Posay. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. This is the ultralight non-perfumed fluid. It's SPF 50, and I just love this one. This is dark skin girl friendly, okay? This does not give you that purple overcast. It's really lightweight. I think it's great for like all skin types, to be honest. Okay, also I want my under eyes to be really radiant, so I'm going to go in with an eye cream. This is the Burt's Bees Intense Hydration. It looks like this. It's super concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Just and just rub it all in. So the first thing I'm going to do is erase my blemishes. I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now I know this is typically known as a heavier coverage concealer, but I'm just going to go in with a really light hand. This is in shade Espresso. Go in with a beauty blender, and I'm just going to pat it as I find that gives me like good coverage, natural finish. There we go. Now I'm going to come back to these areas, but first I'm going to do my brows. So I'm using the Maybelline Professional Eye Pencil. This is in the colour Black Brown with really light strokes. Just fill in the like sparse areas in my brows. It's better to add too little product than too much, I think, with this kind of makeup no makeup look. Now that's done, I'm going to get my LA Girl Pro Conceal again and mix Espresso and Fawn. Only a little bit of Fawn, to be honest. I want something that's slightly lighter than my skin colour, but not too light. And I'm just going to clean up my brows. Don't put too much product on your brush because it's just going to be impossible to blend out. You also don't want to go too light, because if you do, then again it's just not going to blend properly. Brush what I can out with this, but I end up just going in with my little finger most of the time. I feel like it just gives me the finish I want. To finish my brows off, I'm going to use the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I find it just keeps my brows mix and behave, so just going to comb it up at the front and then just kind of shape it like however you want to, really, but I like the front bit to be a bit fluffy. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna sort out the rest of the discoloration on my face. To do that, I'm gonna use the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. I'm in the shade Benares. I'm just gonna pop a little bit on the top of my brush, tiny dot. And what I'm gonna do is dot it around my eye and just blend it in. I like using this foundation particularly instead of concealer, just because it's got a really lovely natural skin-like finish, so it doesn't look cakey at all. Look at that difference. Yo, I look like I've had like 10 hours more sleep on this side of my face. Power of makeup, y'all. It's a madness. And oh, that's a bit too much that time. Okay, I'm gonna spread the excess around my mouth, but I'm gonna add some more there. I look awake, oh my god. And then again, tiny drop. Better to add too little and then add more than like put too much on and then it'd be cakey. So I'm gonna prime my lids next. I'm gonna be using the NYX Proof It, and I'm just gonna pop the tiniest bit on my lids. I'm gonna go in with a really fluffy kind of eyeshadow brush And I'm gonna go in with the blusher I'm gonna use later, which is Raizin by MAC. It's the one that I always use. And just really lightly go into my crease and add a bit of colour in there. Just a tiny bit. We don't want to take away from the makeup, no makeup look. Like that. Now, this next step is completely optional. I just personally like it on the shape of my eyes and the way it makes my eyes look. And that's the whole point of a makeup, no makeup look. You kind of just want to accentuate your natural features without adding too much. So I'm actually going to do a little bit of a winged eyeliner. Just the outer corner, just because I feel like it opens my eyes a bit more. Putting a little bit of Raizin on my cheeks, really lightly. Just add a bit of warmth back into my face, maybe a bit on my nose. Then I'm gonna use my favorite highlight. It's MAC's Cheeky Bronze. Nothing too extra, just, you know, on my nose. To finish the look up, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty's, is it Gloss Bomb, I believe. And I'm gonna put it all over my lips. Then to finish the look off, I'm just gonna spray, this is the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. I'm just gonna spritz my face. So yeah, this is the finished look. Look cute! It's just really simple. Like, just looking a little bit more cute than you were, you know, 10 minutes ago kind of thing. I actually like to do this look when I'm on holiday in a hot country actually, just because nobody got time for this oil slick on your face in the summer sun, girl, you know? You just want to keep it really nice, really simple, really light, so your skin can breathe and it can just receive that vitamin D goodness from the sun. You feel me? You feel? I know you do. So yeah, it's a really simple look for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.